If you're dealing with gum recession and you're tired of watching your gums slowly disappear, revealing more and more of your tooth roots, then you need to pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. Today, I'm giving you 2 killer tips that can completely eliminate gum recession. And I'm not talking about expensive treatments or complicated procedures. These are simple changes you can make starting today that will stop your gums from receding and actually help them recover. Most people think gum recession is just something that happens with age, but that's completely wrong. The truth is, you're probably causing your own gum recession every single day without even knowing it. And the worst part, the things you think are helping your oral health are actually making the problem worse. Gum recession happens when your gum tissue starts pulling away from your teeth, exposing the tooth roots underneath. This doesn't just look bad, it creates serious problems. Your roots don't have the protective enamel that covers the rest of your teeth, so they're extremely sensitive to hot and cold. Plus, these exposed areas are much more prone to decay and cavities. If you don't address this now, you're looking at potential tooth loss, expensive dental procedures, and a lifetime of sensitivity and pain. But here's the good news. Gum recession isn't always permanent, and you have more control over it than you think. Your gums are living tissue, and when you stop irritating them and start treating them properly, they can actually heal and recover. That's where these 2 tips come in. Tip number 1 is all about your toothbrush choice and technique. And this is where most people get it completely wrong. You probably think that a harder brush cleans better, right? That's what the marketing wants you to believe, but it's destroying your gums. Here's what you need to understand about toothbrush hardness. Different parts of your teeth need different levels of cleaning intensity. For the main body of your teeth, that middle and lower third, you can use a medium bristle brush. But here's the critical part that nobody talks about. When you get to the gum line, where your teeth meet your gums, you need to switch to an extra soft brush. Think about it this way. Your gums are soft tissue, like the inside of your cheek. Would you scrub the inside of your cheek with a medium or hard bristle brush? Of course not. But that's exactly what you're doing to your gums every day. When you attack your gum line with a hard or medium brush, your gums literally try to escape. They pull back, they recede, because they're trying to get away from this constant irritation. Instead, you need an extra soft brush for the gum line. This type of brush will actually massage your gums, improve blood circulation, and provide gentle but effective cleaning. Your gums won't feel attacked, they'll feel relieved. And when your gums feel good, they stop trying to run away from your brush. Now, for your brushing technique, forget everything you think you know about scrubbing your teeth clean. You don't clean your teeth because you use more force. You clean your teeth because you use the right technique. Use gentle circular motions with that extra soft brush along the gum line. No back and forth scrubbing, no aggressive pressure. Just gentle circles that massage and clean at the same time. Tip number 2 is about your toothpaste, and this might shock you. If you're using one of those toothpastes with gritty particles, the ones that promise to remove tartar or whiten your teeth with abrasive action, you're literally sanding away your gums and your tooth enamel. These toothpastes contain abrasive particles that act like sandpaper. Every time you brush, you're essentially taking sandpaper to your gum line. No wonder your gums are receding. They're trying to escape this daily assault. You need to switch to a gentle, non-abrasive toothpaste. Look for toothpastes specifically designed for sensitive teeth or gum care. These formulations are smooth and creamy, without those harsh particles. They'll clean your teeth effectively without damaging your gums or wearing away your enamel. Stay away from any toothpaste that advertises super whitening, tartar removal, or deep cleaning action. These marketing terms usually mean one thing: abrasive particles that will make your recession worse. Now, while these 2 tips will definitely help stop your gum recession and start the healing process, I have to tell you something important. Even with perfect brushing technique and the right toothpaste, there's still a hidden threat in your mouth that most people don't know about. Recent breakthrough research has revealed that there's a specific bacterial culprit that's been sabotaging your oral health, and it's something that regular brushing and flossing simply can't eliminate. This discovery explains why some people follow perfect oral hygiene but still struggle with gum problems, tooth sensitivity, and other dental issues. If you want to see what this hidden threat is and discover the revolutionary 5-second natural solution that's helping thousands of people completely transform their oral health from home, I've put together a special presentation that reveals everything. Simply point your phone's camera at the QR code appearing on your screen right now to watch this eye-opening presentation, or check the pinned comment below for the direct link. Trust me, what you'll discover will change everything you thought you knew about oral care, and it perfectly complements the tips I'm sharing with you today. Now here's how you put these 2 tips together for maximum results. Get yourself 2 toothbrushes, 1 medium bristle and 1 extra soft. Use the medium brush for the main surfaces of your teeth, but the moment you get to the gum line, switch to that extra soft brush with gentle circular motions. Pair this with a non-abrasive toothpaste and you've got a winning combination. Be consistent with this approach. Your gums didn't recede overnight, and they won't recover overnight either. But within a few weeks, you should notice that your gums feel less irritated and inflamed. Within a few months, you might even see some recovery in areas where the recession wasn't too severe. Remember, the key is being gentle but thorough. Your gums want to be healthy, they want to stay in place, but you have to stop giving them reasons to retreat. Treat them with the care they deserve, and they'll reward you with better health and a better smile. So there you have it, 2 simple but powerful tips that can completely eliminate your gum recession problem. Switch to the right toothbrush technique, choose the right toothpaste, and watch your gums transform. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know your biggest gum health challenge, and make sure you're subscribed because I've got more game-changing oral health tips coming your way.